If you're talking about the stress in a kitchen, stress in running a restaurant, there's a lot of moving parts. So what's the key? How do you lessen that stress? You lessen that stress with really creating a restaurant family that you can depend on. I'm sure that you have seen how many people I have that help me so that I can do what I do. I don't do it by myself, believe me. So I'm obviously not in my home kitchen. We are in the kitchen of Keesbakke, one of my 3 restaurants, and I'm here with Ryan Di Nicola. Ryan is the chef at Keesbakke. We cook together, we wrote a book together, we argue together, we travel together. But today, Ryan and I are gonna show you how to make really one of my favorite dishes at Keesbakke, which is the pepper steak. A lot of the meats that we do here tend to be a larger format, and they tend to be served alongside or on the bone. And so when 2 people come in for dinner, sometimes it's difficult to choose a meat because the portion size can be oftentimes large. So I've made it a point to nag Ryan to add simpler meats or smaller portion meats that 2 people or a single diner can enjoy by themselves. And this is an example of one. Today, we're gonna use our wood-burning grill because most of the food that comes out of Spakke either is roasted in our oven or off of our wood-burning grill.